In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install cheat or hack menu in Forza Horizon 6 to get ultimate money, wheel spins, and super wheel spins. Check my video description for the smart download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select extract to. Open the extracted folder and double click on the exe file and select the yes option. Make sure the game is running in the background and you will get this message attached. Then you good to go. Go to futures and for this tutorial I'm gonna edit these credits. Follow the same steps for both wheel spins, skill points, and the other stuff. Right now I have 1000 credits in my account. I'm gonna change this to unlimited and then select this red icon to activate and select apply option credit success. Minimize this. To make this cheat work, you need to go to cars, change car, and just get in any car. Once you've done this, you just need to press the escape key and go back to mod menu and select apply option and minimize this. The changes will take effect. And this way you can do it for wheel spins, skill points, and other stuff. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.